Finally, a do-it-yourself plastic repair product that works. Easy ABS Repair is a heavy-bodied liquid ABS resin designed to easily repair any damaged ABS plastic. This video details the repair of the front fender on a Ford Focus and is the third and last video in the series. In this video, we will add the last of the missing pieces, fill and sand the repair, and paint the fender. I hope you find it informative. The last patch piece is in an area where we can't get to the back side. I took a thin piece of cardboard and used it to make a template of the piece. I used the template to cut out the shape on the patch that we shaped to the curve in the last video. This piece fit perfectly in the hole and did not need to be taped in place. I bonded it with the resin. Apply right from the bottle. There is nothing to add or to mix up. The resin chemically welds the plastic together as it air cures. The resin is cured in about 24 hours. Once all of the missing pieces are in place, you can start sanding. If you use a power sander, go slow and stop often to let the surface cool down. Use the resin to fill in any imperfections or low spots. Don't use any two-part body fillers, as they will not bond to the plastic properly and will eventually crack and fall out. Use a body filler spreader to spread and smooth out the resin. Work quickly, as the resin will react to the air and start to cure rapidly. Let the resin on the spreader cure and it will easily come off. Use a good quality sandable primer that is designed to be used with plastics. You'll be able to see any imperfections while the primer is wet and shiny. Once you have applied the primer, you can no longer use the resin to fill. Use a single part spot putty to fill any imperfections. By this time, you should be using 300 to 400 grit sandpaper. Finish the pre-paint prep with another coat of primer and sand with 400 grit sandpaper. Before applying the finish coat, it is recommended to wipe the entire surface with a tack cloth to remove any remaining dirt or dust. Paint the finish coat with even strokes and thin coats to prevent running of the paint. This is the last video in this series. The next video in line is a motorcycle repair. I have carried a small can of spray lubricant in the saddlebag of my Honda Goldwing for years. Last year, the can exploded while the bike was in the toy hauler. It blew out the bottom and side of the bag, blew off the door, and pulled out the catches and hinges. There are more than 150 individual pieces. All this damage was repaired. My wing is back on the road. Subscribe to our channel and you will be advised when this video is available.